get?
2024.
Woo! Are we having an excellent time?
We're having an excellent time! Who runs the world? Girls! Who runs the world? Girls! 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 Can we say it like just after they say it?
There we go.
Getting ready for the steam.
Yeah.
Oh, with those?
Oops. That was just happening. Wow. Beautiful.
Who runs the world?
Girls. Alright, here we are. Okay, turn it up. We got the...
You have to like lean. I watched a video. You're supposed to like go like this and then like lean forward and be like, oh.
That's how we do it.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you guys doing? You're gonna have that boat.
Your daughter and I would love to be friends. I don't know what to say.
We lost the championship. And it's okay.
We wore two tops.
Hold up the belt.
Holding up the belt.
I actually
Mike, I'm gonna pee.
wanted to thank the grounds crew that put together the actual level board,
There he is.
regulation distance.
Yep.
No, it's not.
I was